can take it back, but we could freeze this frame. It could stay the same. Some things don't last, but take up time and space. Let it be your face. I wanted to pick me off my feet, ripping my heart off of my sleeve, even if it's for a night. Wanna believe that gravity never get hold of you and me. Yeah, I'm faded in this fantasy. Yeah, we could stay. So come on over, pull me closer. Why don't we stay? And I get older, like we're supposed to. Why don't we stay? Why don't we stay? Why don't we stay?
Bahwa kita masih diberi kesempatan untuk berkarya, baik kesehatan maupun dalam bentuk media untuk berkarya. Teman-teman sekalian, Apel Kesiapan Kerja juga memberi kita manfaat lain untuk saling berbagi informasi, kesempatan bagi manajemen dan kawan-kawan semua untuk saling membagikan informasi.